Welcome back to the show, guys. Now, singer Romain Virgo will be talking about his new album set for release in the summer. Let's hear the details.
She stepped out of the train yesterday, the pouring rain, with her clothes on packed, face messed up. I could tell she was feeling pain. Thought I had something sweet to tell her as I opened up my umbrella, and she was so confused, spilling the pews, try to hide it with a smile, just like a knight in shining armor.
EP just came out, so we never want to use songs, kill songs. We give it some more time, and then we start push out with the album. So soon people will hear the first song from the album, which is going to be the title song for the album, Lovesick. We have a Lovesick project coming out, meaning we have a Lovesick rhythm, which features artists like Loyal Flames already, Richie Spice, Conscience will be a part of it, myself, Umi Aleph, Dalton Harris, Rising Stars youth as well, and we just try to do the music the right way. This is the kind of music that really brought me forward to the people them. I just want to continue that same trend. People seem to love what I'm doing, and it feels like it is the right thing. That is how it feels, So, we just try to do our best. Lovesick album will be straight lovers rap. Nico Brownie from Lifeline Music, I work with him. Vikings Production, Donovan Jermaine from Penthouse is on this album as well. Kurt Riley is on the album. Sammy T from Mighty Crown produced a song on this album again. TJ Records is on this album as well. And Silly Walks. This is actually a story, and you don't want to miss it from start to the end. It's wonderful. We are 95% in completing the album. It's just to put on a few overdubs and to get it mixed and good for the road.
Now it's time to pay a tribute to producers Sly and Robbie in this week's Wray Proud Jamaican Spirit feature.
Lowell Sly Dunbar and Robbie Robert Shakespeare are known internationally for their musicianship and production skills. Sly the drummer and Robbie the bassist have played on over 200,000 records dating back to the early 1970s. They established their Taxi label in the 1980s and have worked on hits for a number of stars, including Madonna, Shireen Anderson, Grace Jones, The Mighty Diamonds, Gregory Isaacs, Beanie Man, Sean Paul, Black Uhuru, Aini Kamosi, Simply Red, No Doubt, Michael Franti, Sinead O'Connor, Gwen Guthrie.
What can you do for me? 'Cause ain't nothing going on the rest. You got to have a K.O.B. if you want to be with me.
And many others. They score hits in the UK charts with Boops at number 12 in 1987.
You have one desire and that's the dance until you drop. Boops, by definition. Who is the one who's born to lose? Give anybody a chance, and that's the...
And again in 1999 with Night Nurse by Simply Red featuring Sly and Robbie, reaching number 13.
Night nurse. Only you alone can quench this here thirst. My night nurse.
In the early 1990s, Sly and Robbie introduced a novel sound with the hits Bam Bam and Murder, She Wrote by Shaka Demus and Pliers. Both were hits worldwide. Sly and Robbie produced No Doubt's international hits Underneath It All and Hey Baby.
All the boys say, hey baby, hey baby, hey. Girls say, hey baby, hey baby, hey. Hey baby, baby. Hey baby, hey baby, hey. Boys say, hey baby, hey baby, hey.
To date, Sly and Robbie have scored 11 Grammy nominations but won twice, in 1985 for Anthem by Black Uhuru and in 1999 for the album Friends. They received the Gold Musgrave Medal in recognition for their contribution to music in October 2015. We are indeed proud to salute the musical accomplishments of musicians and producers Sly and Robbie and highlight their career achievements as our Wray Proud Jamaican Spirit. Wray Proud Jamaican Spirit.
Now it's my favorite part of the show where we check out which songs made the Magnum Top 10 charts.
Mad dog, hey boy, let me tell you about real mad dog. Anywhere me go, me carry 3 bad dog. Looking at me and me never mean hot dog. Iron furnace, so the steel hot dog. Say you this cause I don't
Young boy, that's where everybody at the champion boy. Have a rich gal in the Hamptons boy. The bush never made in the champion boy. Now man, I do my songs, that's why. If I were you, I would have sell my gun. If I were you, I would have sell my gun. If I were you.
Tom Cruise, Tom Cruise. I really think that I'm Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise, Tom Cruise. I really think that I'm Tom Cruise. Ray-Ban.
Look at me now, where them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh, oh, look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Oh, look at me now. I'm the
Mama might have give up, but no give up on me. One more chance, don't show it all away.
If you looking so fine, me now waste time and you me come for. You mix up the fast with the slow.
All for the champion jockey, champion jockey, champion jockey.
Cause man see them true colors. Yeah. That's why we lose never. Yeah.
Rich, 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 real rich. Rich, 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 so rich, rich, rich.
Start it and them a run help you one call. Roberto Carlos hardball. Make the sex so we don't worry you can't wall. Boy skin good and tougher than all wall. When me cell phone there make a small call. Be a crocodile roll out couple. Talk way bad like 90s dancehall. Boy them a go on like say the rain can't fall. Send for the fire stick that non stall. You full of be a big chap but your heart small. Boom hardball pan belly man.
And that's how we pull the curtains down on another episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna. Be sure to follow us on all social media at Pree Dis Show and like our Facebook page. Thanks to Endless Summer Boutique, Shop 7 Manor Park Plaza for this trendy outfit. Until next week, see you soon.